Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where I'm behind the camera because Owen wanted to open these things with his mum. So today we're going to be opening these ReCyclings. I don't know what they are, I don't know where they came from, but
Smiths, I think.
Smiths? Alright then. They're supposed to be plastic made fantastic. They're pencil toppers, and there's this toy saved 12 bottle caps from landfill.
I don't know how to open them.
And it's all made from recycled materials, but there is supposed to be a gold treasure.
Open it.
Right, so let's see. The wife's opening the first one. She's handing it back to Owen. He's no idea how to open it.
Stop recording all my actions.
Turn it, twist it, bop
Turn it, twist it, bop it.
Wait, what is it?
It's a little penguin, I love it.
You love it? It's weird, isn't it? Oh, it's it feels rubbery, not plasticky.
It's not love. I don't know what love is.
So it's got a hole up its bum because that's a pencil topper. And what the heck is this? Look at this.
It's a speaker.
A speaker? Are you sure that's a penguin then? That seems a bit odd.
Yeah, it's
right,
a penguin.
Who's got the leaflet? Right, here we go. So, you've got foodies, you've got movie night.
Wait, there's a dumpling, a hot dog, fries,
magic.
Sushi, hamburger.
You've got shopping trolley,
A cactus cow, flower pot,
sweet tooth,
panda, penguin,
and then nature channel. There's Owens.
I have the penguin.
What's that say there? Penguin. It does say penguin.
Yeah, I have the penguin.
Right, so that's Owens, and the other one is right there, and
the speaker.
And it's their speaker. They really thought of some good names for these, didn't they?
Yeah, the drum kit.
So that's
speaker,
what it looks like.
The gamer.
Oh, look.
The roller skate.
The
sneaker.
Look at that
the
QR code.
Peanut
for a free
butter,
app.
milk, toothpaste, watermelon, pineapple, toilet paper.
Don't know if you'll be able to scan
noodle
that.
cup.
Right,
Sweet
so
of candy,
how many does it say there is?
Bubble tea, uniform
407. No, hang on.
Gumball cupcake.
Collect them all and say 470 bottle caps. So, oh, and these are limited editions. So you've got the treasure and these two.
Shooting star, glowing ghost, and golden treasure chest.
Right. What do you think of these, Owen? Would you buy them again?
Probably.
Probably. How much were they?
Under the sea with
you can't remember.
octopus, kitty, and clownfish.
Right. So, if you like these and you want to see us open some more, leave a like, leave a comment. That would be really nice. We'll reply to you if you leave one, or if you can, because this is Owen's channel, and YouTube do sometimes turn the comments off.
Contents off.
So, if you would, please subscribe, because it would really help us out, and it's 100% free to do. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Thanks to Kelly for unboxing. And from me and from Owen, bye-bye.
Bye. I like the boxes.
What, more than a toy?
I like the toy.